Hey guys, Mike Labrams here. We're doing another walkthrough Wednesday here at Walnut Ridge Family RV Sales. We're going to start out on a 2021 Hideout 28 RKS we have here in the showroom. So we'll start off in the back here. The RKS has an outdoor kitchen with a small mini fridge and then a 2-burner stove that pulls out with some nice shelf area. And you'll see here you have your electric stabilizing jacks as well. Light under our awning. Blue LED lights on our 2 outdoor speakers. One of my favorite things about this unit is the large window on your campsite. You have a lot on the other side as well, but the one on your campsite is always nice. The large grab handles with the solid steps and the wide first step at the top. It's always nice to have. On the front end, see here we're prepped for side and rear observation cameras. Your pass-through storage. And on the front tongue here, we have a power tongue jack with your dual propane tanks as well. So with that being said, we'll go check out the inside. Okay guys, so we're inside the 28 RKS now. So obviously it is a rear kitchen model. So in the back here, obviously tons of counter space. It's all one piece, so no splits, no seams. You have a sink cover for add a little bit extra counter space, and a fire and basin sink here under mount as well, which is always nice. Tons of cabinetry here as well. You got your oven, 3-burner stove, 10 cubic foot, 12-volt electric fridge. Move around the side, you've got a little bit of a pantry here, nice and deep. Booth that'll go down to a sleeper. You'll see the price of this specific unit, $29,999. That'll go down to a sleeper. Then you've got your couch on this side as well. That will jack down to a sleeping spot there as well. On your opposite side, again, this is your campsite, so the nice big window. We've got the 2 separate recliners with the nice coffee table in the middle. And you've got a central vacuum hidden back here, which is always nice to have. You've got your electric fireplace in your entertainment center. Nice large TV for your entertainment center. We'll move back to the front bedroom here. Start off in the bathroom. Nice size shower. Actual medicine cabinet. And move into the bedroom. So you've got a nice private bedroom. You've got a laundry chute under these decorative books here. Wardrobes that go all the way to the bottom, which is nice. You don't have any hard corners. And just a lot of room to put your clothes. Storage under the bed here as well. Closed off to the pass-through. And on struts, so you're not having to hold it up when you put anything in there. And the side here, you've got tons of storage space for clothes. It's got a hanging rack, a couple of drawers down here as well. So that's it for the 28 RKS, guys. Thanks for hanging out.